I just wanted to say thank you for clicking on today's video, and I'm just going to be pretty quick with the intro. This is going to be top reasons why specifically you, need a dash cam. So I'll just keep this intro pretty brief and just start with the video now, and just start with one here. Starting with reason one, it's just brake checking. It happens a lot in traffic or on normal roads, but it's just like if someone brake checks you and then you hit them, it looks like you were like at fault because you hit them from behind. But just having some sort of video evidence that shows them braking when they weren't supposed to and braking hard, it can just win you the insurance case just like that, just off only having a video, proof of evidence of that happening. So it's just like even just that, I'd say it's worth it for the small little investment. I can save you thousands. But it's just you'll see as the video goes on. There's just so many reasons why. If you don't believe me just off this video, I'd say watch one of those like dash cam like compilation videos. Those were the things that convinced me to get one. Number two, it's just like the literal insurance scams. It's not just like brake checking where they might be doing it to like, I guess they kind of is an insurance scam since you're purposely crashing to get a payout. But it's just like the people that's their whole career. It's like the people who jump out in front of cars in like Australia at night. It's just like genuinely the people who have like nothing better to do with their lives or no work or anything. So they just try and like get injured or just crash their car just so they can get an insurance payout. And it's just like like these people will try and manipulate the situation. They'll lie to the police. They will do every single thing in their power to make sure that it's just hard for you and they win the case. So it's just, I would just get the dash cam just for these two reasons alone. Just I mean you'll see the third reason, but it kind of fits with these where it's just like you'll save yourself so much by just getting a dash cam ahead of time. And number three, it kind of falls with it, but it's genuinely just like the peace of mind that you have when driving. It's so much better. It's like having Apple Care on your phone for like loss and theft protection, where you like know if something happens to your phone, you're covered, and it's just like have knowing that you have video proof of anything that can happen or goes wrong or anything just feels so mandatory, and if you feel so naked without it driving in anyone else's car, because it's just I know that like let's say anything wild happens in front of me or behind me, I have it all on recording and I can just access it within minutes. And let's say I get pulled over or something, I have footage showing what happened, and it's just like let's say it does help me, I just won't show it to anyone. But if it does help me, it's so helpful just to know that you have some sort of proof and that people it's not just your word against someone else's because you're the one with evidence while they're not. So it's just yeah, the peace of mind is so nice. Now number four, it's pretty much just like a recap of like the last three, but it's just having proof that you literally did nothing is like I really can't reinforce this point enough, but it's just like you just having proof when nobody else does. It's just next day, and it's like once you get a dash cam, you will completely understand this and be like, wow. I'm so happy I have this. And it's just like, if you think, oh, I've been driving for 20 years, nothing's happened to me. It only takes one accident, just 1 second, and it's just all that 20 years of clean history is gone. It's just, you don't know what's happening, and then the next thing you know, you're hit. And it doesn't matter how long you've been driving for. It's just having that all recorded is just so useful. Now for number five, I'd say it's just like not really an intimidation tactic, but it's just like a tactic that can intimidate people. But it's just letting people, like, let's say someone's doing something stupid or like, I don't know, near a car or anything. Just saying like, oh, I have a dash cam. Just it lets people know that everything's recorded, and it's not like you have to have your phone out recording everything. It's just like they'll change their behavior because they know what's happening is being recorded. Like, I don't know, let's say they try and like bully you or something. If it's all recorded, it's like they're not going to do that, and it's such a deterrent for like any BS on the road. I mean, I've seen people get like the bumper stickers that say like, "Oh, be careful, I have a dash cam." And it's like, I don't know if you need all that, but like that could be like cool if you want it. But just letting anybody know you're like arguing, I'd say just don't argue with people on the road. It's not worth it. But let's say you get into a situation where you are, just be like, "Hey, I had a dash cam." Just that's all you need to say. Don't threaten them. Just be like, "I have a dash cam. Everything's recorded. Just keep it cool," and that's just all you need. And it's just like, yeah, really just keep it chill and just keep everything recorded. Don't instigate anything, and just yeah, be cool. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. And like I always say, if there's anything you can think of that I could improve on this video that you'd want me to change, any video ideas you have, or just any concept ideas, just please let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to like add change for the next video, or just do whatever you'd like me to do. So thank you for watching this long, and if you truly did get this long and you enjoyed the content a lot, I'd really appreciate a like or subscription, but I won't beg for that. You've gotten this far, and I'm thankful for that. So I guess just thank you for watching, and peace.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.